Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can combine more than one videos in one frame by using the Collages feature in CapCut Mobile. So here you can start by clicking on the project and select the videos that you want to combine. I'm going to use 4 videos. So after you choose your video, just click on collage, and after that you'll be directed to the collage page. Here you just need to select the format and also the ratio to your liking. And this is the collage video that I created. So you can just edit the video or export it if you like it. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.